zero experience, £20,000 build, one turbo Honda. And today we're going to be sending it even if it throws a rod through the block. Let's go for the first drive, Arthur. Whoa! That's my biggest mistake, the history of building cars of my entire life. Okay, just so we're all on the same page, this Civic started off with a low mileage K20A2 engine, then went and installed a very expensive turbo kit including a sidewinder manifold and a 700 bhp rated turbocharger. And of course,
and a standalone fuel management system. Not a bad way to spend $10,000.
But before we take it out for its first drive, we need to make it safe. Starting with sorting out the bonnet. We've got another bonnet and we're just going to make a hole for the wastegate, so let's get to work. So the gun didn't work, we're going to use angle grinder.
Big rock star.
So we went with the drill now, so that silly little metal thing was just burning it for no reason.
Oh, look at that, it almost fits.
A little bit more.
It's better off cutting the big square out.
There you go.
Bring him on.
Oh gosh, look at the hole.
Oh no, man.
Oh, look at that, now it's just popping in it.
Fixed.
The time has now come to drive the K20 swap boosted EK Civic build on this channel. So I hope we don't fall into any issues. Let's go. I just can't believe it's physically running right now. The bonnet's not looking the greatest, but it'll do for now. I had the bonnet up, I checked the engine. There wasn't no leaks, there was no issues. It's running sweet. So we are going to be taking a fire extinguisher for safety purposes. Not going anywhere. And now we can proceed to drive. What are we waiting for, lads? Full send? I'm only joking. We're going to take it around the block a few times before we get it MOT'd and then start, you know, getting the actual car running into gear. The clutch is brand new, give it 300 miles and then we'll do full send. You guys are coming with me. Well, here goes nothing, guys. This is the first drive. I don't know what that noise is. That is bad. It sounds like the fuel system. Try second gear for the first time. Wow. Oh, she's driving amazing. The steering is quite close, which I like. I'm very rigid right now racing. Bolted up the wheel, double checked everything, there's no leak. I can't seem to think anything going wrong by the will of the Almighty, which shall be protected. Bismillahi. Seatbelts. Turning is not too bad, steering is pretty good. No power steering by the way, so it's really solid. I'll check. Oh jeez. So when I press brake, the fuel makes like a sudden sound. I don't know whether the fuel pump's got a bit of an issue, but it seems to be running alright so far. Third gear. Fourth gear. So loud in here, like so scatty. You hear that dump up, guys? Is that just me? We're driving in the boosted K20 EK Civic that we built a few weeks ago, and now we're driving. Could you believe it? I know it could be a bit dangerous, a bit sketchy, but that's what we live for. Put the trust in the Lord Almighty. We do the hard work and leave the rest to the Lord, and appreciate what we built together on this channel. Let's do a cheeky little pull. Whoa! Yeah! Let's go! Oh man! Alhamdulillah! That's what I'm saying! That wasn't even in VTEC and we already broke the speed limit! Yeah! Look at these plastic windows! One of the biggest things that I've learned, respect the car, man. You have to respect the car. It can take your life away. This ain't no simple thing. And I want to preach that to all my viewers that are watching right now, to my brothers that always respect the car. I'm mind blown with how it's driving so well, so good. The Civic is ready to go, you know, it's ready to fly. I'm so excited. I know. Do a brake test right now, 40 miles per hour. Boom! Yeah, she's good. The car weighs around 900 kg with the plastic windows. That's probably why it slows down so good. Clutch up. fucking daily this. I think it needs an alignment as well. The steering's a bit left. It's louder than I thought, but then again, the Civic would sound like a lawnmower. It doesn't sound like a lawnmower. It does have 2 resonators, so I quite like the sound of the car right now. I really wanted to hear the VTEC and the turbo crossover, and that turbo wind does it for me. I'll do a small little pull right now, just so we can feel it. Whoa! You see that screamer? The car is screaming. We're gonna park up and just check the car, just make sure it's all good. Oh, I'm excited. Ideally I would like it off, because that must be really hot now. So it's gonna be nothing but catching a lot of hot air. I want to get like a metal aluminium shield here to avoid the heat getting to the fuel pipe. That's what causes a lot of fire, fuel pipe getting so close. There's one fuel pipe underneath it as well. I want to try and wrap that as much as possible. We did that together, guys. I'm stoked. Okay, so we have ran into our first issue. The car will not start, because this started happening at Gordon Street Races on the dyno. After we turned the car off, it won't start. Same thing happened again. Whether it's to do with the engine being too hot, I'm not too sure, or the fuel pump being overly used. If it starts, it's a miracle. So yeah, you hear that sound? Not proper drowned out. So watch, it's not gonna start. Okay, that was a miracle. Let's go. So far, car's driving the right. What the hell? By the way, if you want to grab yourself some merch, I got hoodstick.com, link in description. You could buy the nice keyring. Ow! Just been there only a second. If it starts up, it's a miracle. If it doesn't, that's the issue. That's the sound. There. See that? That's starting. So we've passed the MOT. We're on our way back to the HQ. Now we can like send it a bit. So let's go and do some testings, guys. You feel the VTEC now. When you go, that's VTEC. Yeah, it's got all that jazz. I'm not gonna go crazy, just gonna do one more for good luck. Whoa! Wow! Wow! Oh, you gotta drive it. So I'm getting jump started by the lads again. sweating. I'm sweating. It's too fast. Jeez, that you can't talk. We need to park up and just have a moment of just like relax. You know when you like drive a fast car and you're like, sorry mate, you're thinking like your life flickers within seconds. Like it was like that. The car is just something else. It's a beast of its own. It reminds me of the Devil's Z Midnight Maximum race. Just want to make sure the car's running right as well, because like that was a crazy pull. And I wasn't fully hammering it. That was like just warming up. The first ever pulls that we did, proper like blowing the cobwebs out. You gotta respect the car, otherwise it will have ya. It will take you off board. It drives amazing, cannot fault it one bit. But it gripped. It gripped in second gear, didn't it? It hooked up, it didn't spin. Gentlemen, we have just built an absolute beast of a car. I'm speechless. I let the video do justice to what you guys think. So drop a comment down below and let's head back to the HQ. Right guys, I've made a serious big mistake. Even after the test drive of the car now makes a serious noise. Watch. It makes like a whining sound in the gearbox now. But if I press clutch, it disappears. Put the clutch up. Clutch in. Clutch up. When we changed the gearbox on the Civic, put everything back together, I did everything correct. I just remembered when I had the gearbox off the car, all the fluid was seeping out. So now I know there's no transmission fluid. That's probably why it's whining. I think we might have broken the gearbox, but we're gonna find out. Yeah guys, so now we're gonna unbolt the bolt of the gearbox where the fluid comes out. That's really hard. I'm gonna have to get a hammer. Okay, get ourselves a bucket. Let's find out. Look at that. No fluid whatsoever. That's my biggest mistake in the history of building cars of my entire life. I can't believe it. It's empty. I think the next time you ever build a car, always top up your gearbox fluid. So that means we actually tuned the car with no transmission fluid. How lucky are we? Now it's time to tighten that bolt up and get the transmission fluid inside. 2 litres, let's go. Ooh, la la. Red line colour. Just pour that inside. Right, so I've got my air compressor ready. And now we're gonna air compress the fluid all it back into the gearbox. The fluid is all topped up. It's time to start the car, see if that noise disappears. With the help of my co-pilot, we asked ChatGPT and it said go for a 15-minute drive and then the noise should disappear. So let's just see if that works. The noise was loud when you're driving, so the noise is gone. I think we're onto a winner, guys. I don't want to get too happy right now, but it seems like it's done the trick. ChatGPT is good, isn't it? God, Japanese cars are good. Who would have thought to put transmission fluid inside the car after you've done all that work? Nobody thought of it. Neutral. The sound is gone. Guys, the gearbox is fixed. Whoa. Woo. Get the weight off the shoulder. Alhamdulillah. Praise be to the Lord. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. 3, 2, 1. We made it back in one piece, guys. And we survived. Let's jump out of this car. We raised you right. We raised you right. We did a good job raising this boy, didn't we? Ooh, it is hot. You can hear the tink tink sounds. You could probably cook an egg on that. As you can see, guys, I'm just a bit overwhelmed. I'm just trying to take it all in, the whole process of building this car from scratch. First ever engine out of an EP3 into the EK. First time boosting a car. We did it all in one go, and the car is driving and it boosting and it does everything what it's supposed to do, and it's the first time I'm not a mechanic, and this is what is achievable. I just want to say a big thank you for everybody watching, big thank you for everybody supporting the channel, A big thank you for just watching and being there on this journey and being a part of it. Can't believe the levels that we took it. The S4 was like a highlight on the channel for us, for me, and this has just topped it up to a whole new different level. Yeah, forgive me, man. I'm just trying to take it in, guys. Like, I'm just trying to take it in. It's been ups and downs this year, last year, and to come out with this year, I waited like 2-3 years for this moment to come to realization, and for this to happen from visual to actually happening. It's just absolutely mind-blowing, guys. Yeah, man. Sometimes like these moments can be like exciting, happy, joyful, emotional, all in one go, and this is one of the experiences, and I'm showing it with you guys, man. Finish off the niggly bits, such as the fuel pump, so that it starts every time, not having to wait for it to cool down. I'm quite shocked for an open diff. It hooked in second gear, so I think the next steps is to probably improve more on stability, get the car more rigid, so buy more parts for that. If you guys, let me know what you think. If you are Honda owners or you're running like 1000 brake, comment down below what improvements we could do on this car. Right then, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Go to hoodstig.com right here and down in the description. Buy some merch. I'll send it out to you guys. Be a part of the Brother Stigs crew. And if you're new to the channel, hit that bell notification so you don't miss out the next video. And I'll see you guys next video. Peace. Love you all.